So basically it's a Camco flagpole mount, but it's a hitch mount. And I originally bought it because I did have the flagpole in the back, because I have a hitch back there that we originally used to bring the bikes. So what I did was I just made this little block right here. It was a couple 2x6 boards, and then I just blocked them up. I cut one in half and then stacked it like that. You could do the same with like a 2x4 in there and split it, and I left the opening right there for the mount to stick through. So it's a double purpose. It allows me to put the flagpole in there and extend it up, and there we have our flags. We have American flag and of course a Pennsylvania flag with the solar light on the top, so it's got proper flag etiquette. It turns on itself at night and then shuts back off again when it runs out of juice. You're supposed to have your flag illuminated, and I just want everybody to know that I do try and use proper flag etiquette.